Have you guys ever wondered what's inside of an electrical cord? So, if you wondered, we're just going to cut it open today. Alright, here we go.
Wait, you gotta get it all the way back in the back. Open it all the way back.
Oh,
What the?
I can't really see.
Yeah, you can.
Here, I'll cut it open more.
Open.
It's like closed. You can't see it. Just
Here, what? So what you can do is you can just barely cut around this edge like this. I don't have correct wire snips, but see how they have the you know why they're copper little wires where electricity can flow through them, a negative and a positive. So electricity can flow.
Thanks for watching, guys.
no.
Hey, you're still on.
Should I go cut open this part?
Oh, sorry.
This part probably won't cut open.
You gotta be a man to do that. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
A man. I got a
You
woman.
must be at least 39.
Not a woman. Whoa. Nothing.
That's where the electricity goes into there. I don't think I can get this.
Can that? Then you're not a woman. You're an old man.
I won't get on the cutter part though.
Should we open the lamp?
Yeah, go
can.
ahead.
The bottom part? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Get the little screwdriver. Just
So we're gonna see what's in the bottom.
gotta undo these 3 screws here.
I gotta upload it. Oh, sorry.
Are you done?
Well,
Tear it in there.
Alright.
It's not gonna work.
It did. Whoa. Okay, let's cut that part off. Okay, let's get the pliers. Here.
there's the switch.
Oh.
Somehow. These are the 2 wires that we had cut before. So one goes here and one goes here, those little copper ones, and they separate it. Okay, what do you want me to cut?
Here. Give me the pliers.
Over there by
Alright,
Max.
and then I'm just gonna cut this. Right here. So I can take it off all the way.
Boy.
Alright. Got it. Now, I think we can go in here. So, is there someone we can get in here?
Not that way. Whoa, whoa.
What?
What are
I
you
think
doing?
I can break it.
Why do you want to break it?
We already broke it.
No, why don't we undo the bolt right here? Here, hold this. You can unscrew it real quick.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Ooh.
What is this?
The bulb's already broken.
Can I see?
Oh, look, it's like an outlet. Alright, look at that. You know,
Now that is weird.
Careful, Sam. Here, put
there's
it.
like a paper in it.
Yeah, put it in there.
I don't know why there's a paper. It says, caution, risk of fire. Use max 21. That is weird. There's a paper.
Wait, why is there something in there? when you have to like open all that.
Right. And that is what's inside of a lamp.